In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add your tax information to your Upwork account. This is essential for getting paid smoothly and staying compliant. So I'll walk you through the exact path and share a few tips to avoid common mistakes. First, open your browser and head to Google. In the search bar, type Upwork and hit enter. Click the official Upwork website from the results. If you aren't already signed in, log into your account so you can access your settings. Once you're on Upwork, look to the upper right corner of the page for your profile picture or initials. Click that to open the account menu, then choose Account Settings. This takes you to the hub, where all your profile, security, and payment settings live. Inside Account Settings, select Withdrawals. Don't worry, this is the right place. Upwork groups payment methods and tax details together because both affect how and when you get paid. Next, find and click Tax Information. This section is where you'll add or update the details that Upwork uses to generate the correct forms and apply the right withholding, depending on your location and tax status. Now, look for the Edit icon in the section you want to change or complete. Click it to begin. You'll see fields for your legal name, address, and tax identification details. Enter your information exactly as it appears on your government records. Use your full legal name, no nicknames, and make sure your address matches what's on file with your tax authority. If you're an individual, you may be asked for a personal tax number. If you're a business, you might provide a business tax ID. Depending on your country, Upwork may guide you through the equivalent of a W-9 or W-8 form. Take your time and double-check any numbers you type to avoid delays or verification issues. When everything looks accurate, click Save. Upwork will apply your changes, and in some cases you might see a confirmation message or be prompted to verify details. If you ever need to update this information later, like after a name change, new address, or business status change, come back to the same tax information section and use the edit icon again. That's it. By navigating through your profile menu to account settings, opening withdrawals, selecting tax information, editing the relevant section, and saving, you've successfully added your tax details. Keeping this information correct helps prevent payout holds and ensures you receive the right forms at year-end. Thanks for watching, and keep your info up to date to make your Upwork payments seamless.